Hang on. Too many fucking thing got off. Oh, it's still on. Just trying to get something. But yeah, I'm just trying to get it right. A couple more before we take off in the last as well. Even if I've done more angles. It's just stock standard bream. Nothing. It's chuck back, throw back anyway. Good old stock standard. Whoops, bream. No, it's just the bream flipping the water. Just don't worry about it. We'll just send it back.
Oh, you don't want to keep
it? If it's probably small, too small, don't worry about it. We'll just send it back. I don't keep everything and bring in.
Is that too small for you?
I can't see. Ah, toss it back. Yeah. Oh, actually, I don't know. Let me think about it. We'll just get it in the boat, and then we'll talk about it later.
We'll keep a bit of pressure on him. Let him wear down a bit.
What's the depth, please? What's the depth in the sound? Just look, put on the. What's the depth in the sounder?
4 metres. We're at the hole.
Okay, good. Okay, hang on. Right, I've got to get this anchor out.
Play with this dude.
Look, I'm kind of busy. Toss it back. Toss it back. Toss it back. Nice. At least that's one for the day as a start. Oh, bream. Yeah, obviously we'll check that one. It's too damn small. Back. That's more like it. Whoop, that's more like it.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, it's a real. Thank you.
There you go. I thought it grew.
No, that's a reasonable sized fish.
I'm just giving it a bit of a pull.
Yeah, well, I've never actually. Yeah, look at the size of that bastard. This is 15-pound line.
Oh, fuck me.
That is one seriously big horse. Flick the net's not quite. There we go. Hang on. I'll bring him in. It's all right. It's the first time I'm actually pulling in a fish on this line, so that is one bloody big horse.
Holy crap.
Hello, Mr. Bream. Lane Cove special. Thank you very much indeed. Fucking horse, all right. I'll get you to take a photo of that with me.
That's not a very big fish. I didn't realise your fucking hands are huge.
It's a nice sized job. Definitely a foot long easy. Yeah, I'm just thinking. I'm just waiting to see what it's doing. It's thinking.
That's right.
It's thinking. It's thinking. Right. Not huge, unless it's just being sneaky. Current starts moving. Fish start chomping.
Yeah.
This is this. I think this is a throwback, but who cares? Fish is a fish. Yep.
You scared everything.
Probably.
I was scared.
That old brimmer. Yes, we're there. You're going back to. That's nice. Good. We're getting somewhere. Starting to pick up. Hang on. Now see how that goes. See. Oh fuck! Oh fuck it! I'll just run past it in. I'm not going to mess around with it. I'll mess around with the rod later. Oh, just the lines. I'll put it out like. No, it's. I got it. I know. Another bream. Real size horse. Easy. There you go. Mr. Brimbo. Thank you. Tiny. Oh, got off anyway. Doesn't matter. Tiny bream. Caught a bream on there. Oh, it's too small anyway, chuck it back again. That's good, another one, another fish. Well, we're getting somewhere. Nice little flatty. Jesus.
Like a 2.
Yeah. Oh,